Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to send a large file to WhatsApp from your desktop. So here what I need to do is I'll simply open my Google Chrome browser, and here I'll do is I'll simply click on WhatsApp web. I'll simply click here on WhatsApp web. Well, it may take a little bit of time depending on the size of the volume of files are there in your WhatsApp chats. So as you can see, my WhatsApp web is open and it is completely similar to your WhatsApp chat that you see in the mobile. So here what we'll do is I'll simply select the person to whom I want to send the message. For example, I'll go for this person. Well, this is me only. So what I'll do here is I'll simply go for the files. Here you can see this is a big file of 95 MB. I'll simply go here, I'll simply click and drag here, or else I can do one thing. I'll simply what I'll do is I'll click on this plus. I will go for photos and videos. Let me go for OBS. So I'll go for this file, double click, and as you can see, so you can see it is writing that 64 MB limit. It is more than 64 MB limit. It will not go for photos and videos. I'll again go for this. One video tried adding is larger than the 64 MB limit. Thing is, it's not taking more than 64 MB. I'll go for another video. Let me see. This 76. This is 26 MB. So if I click send, let me see. So as you can see, I could only send a video of below less than 64 MB. If I am trying to add, I'm not able to add. But let me see if I can drag and drop the same video that is 94 MB. If I go on dragging this file here, let me see, one video we tried adding is larger than 64 MB limit. So it is not letting me do that. 76, it is also not letting me do that. So this is how you send a large file that is up to 64 MB on WhatsApp. 64 MB maximum you can send on WhatsApp, be it video or any document. So that's it in this video. I hope you learned something new here. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. Until then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.